Thanks for looking. Welcome to Raintrust Medicine. Today I am going to talk about ginger. It is available in your kitchen, right? It has lot of medicinal properties. Let's see. It is very useful for indigestion, diarrhea, piles, heart disease, in urine, in blood, etc. How to use it for these kind of disease? Let's see. The dedication of dry ginger and rock salt is very useful for indigestion. Then, in urine, in blood, how to use it? Boil a tablespoon of dry ginger powder in a glass of milk and drink twice a day. It will help to arrest bleeding. Then, heart disease. Take hot decantion of dry ginger after breakfast daily. It will help to cure heart disease. If you have severe heart problems and in urine and blood, you should go to the nearest hospital. Drink herbal tea daily. Eat healthy food. Avoid going to crowded places. If you go out, should wear mask. Take it easy, live a happy and a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.